Hey guys, I thought I'd do a short video for y'all. I was going to show y'all, not every night do I have great inspiration for meals. This is tonight's. It's hamburger with cabbage, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper. Then on the back is just some scalloped potatoes straight out of the box. Yes, you can bake them, but you can also cook them up on your stove eye, which is what I'm doing right now. Just getting everything nice and cooked. Everything will be ready in about 10 to 15 minutes now. But not everybody that is doing cooking videos has great ideas every night. Y'all know that from real life, I'm sure. Some nights you have great inspiration and, great whatever to cook with. And other nights, not so much. I mean, that's just real life for us, y'all. Real life. But I hope everyone's well. I had to go take my husband to the doctor today. He had his cyst removed. First of all, he needs someone to help interpret for him because he's hard of hearing, very hard of hearing. And otherwise, I didn't know if he'd need a driver afterwards. I don't do that much driving, but, I can. I have a license and all that, but usually my husband drives because we're usually together most of the time. But I thought, well, if his arm's hurting, because it was right behind his shoulder blade, I thought maybe he might need somebody to help him get home. Anyway, so I'm so glad y'all continue to support the channel and give likes and comments. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing, like, and as always, leave me a comment. Bye-bye.